The automotive industry is standing on the brink of a historic revolution. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are no longer just a futuristic concept or a niche market. They are rapidly becoming the centerpiece of modern transportation. Thanks to remarkable advancements in battery technology and electric motor design, EVs are now a highly viable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. And leading this transformation is none other than Guangzhou Automobile Group, better known as GAC, a Chinese automotive powerhouse that's turning heads around the world. Their latest innovation? A groundbreaking electric motor capable of spinning at an astonishing 30,000 revolutions per minute. This single advancement could redefine the very foundation of electric mobility. GAC claims that this next-gen motor has the potential to save 90 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity per year. That's not just innovation, that's a leap toward a more sustainable, energy-efficient future. This technology doesn't just mean faster EVs, it means longer range, better efficiency, and a driving experience that's cleaner and more powerful. Now for those unfamiliar, GAC, Guangzhou Automobile Group, is not a newcomer to the automotive scene. The company was founded in 1997, and in just over 2 decades it has risen to become one of China's largest and most successful automakers. Known for its strong focus on innovation and sustainability, GAC has carved out a prominent position in both the Chinese and global automotive markets. Their success hasn't come in isolation. GAC has built strategic partnerships with some of the world's most respected automotive brands, including Toyota, Honda, and Fiat Chrysler. These collaborations allowed GAC to absorb world-class manufacturing techniques, acquire cutting-edge technologies, and integrate them into their own line of vehicles. Today, GAC produces everything from compact city cars to luxury EVs, each crafted with a relentless pursuit of quality and performance. Let's talk about the crown jewel of their innovation, the 30,000 revolutions per minute electric motor. To put that into perspective, most current EV motors operate between 10,000 to 20,000 RPM. GAC has nearly doubled that ceiling, making this new motor an absolute outlier in performance. This isn't just about raw speed. A higher RPM allows for a more compact and lightweight design, all without sacrificing power output. That means vehicles can go farther, accelerate quicker, and handle better. According to GAC, this motor will extend the driving range by up to 50 kilometers compared to vehicles with conventional electric motors. And that's just the beginning. This motor forms the heart of what GAC calls the Quark Electric Drive 2.0, featuring an impressive motor power density of 13 kilowatts per kilogram and a motor efficiency rating of 98.5%, among the highest in the industry. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're potentially world-beating. One of the biggest obstacles to EV adoption has been something called range anxiety, the fear that your EV will run out of battery before you reach a charging station. GAC's new high RPM motor addresses this head-on. The motor's superior efficiency translates directly into extended range, giving drivers peace of mind whether they're commuting to work or planning a weekend road trip. Think about it. An extra 50 kilometers of range could mean the difference between making it home comfortably or scrambling to find the nearest charging point. With GAC's new motor, EVs become more practical, more versatile, and most importantly, more accessible to everyday drivers. So how exactly did GAC achieve such a breakthrough? The secret lies in the motor's advanced design and high-performance materials. The engineers at GAC used amorphous, soft magnetic materials, commonly referred to as liquid metal, to construct the motor. This material has permeability that is 20 to 100 times greater than standard silicon steel sheets, and its thickness is only a quarter that of an A4 sheet of paper. The result? A motor that operates close to the efficiency of room-temperature superconductors. This cutting-edge material reduces energy loss during power transmission, helping the motor achieve those sky-high RPMs while maintaining excellent efficiency. Additionally, the compact nature of this motor means it can be fitted into a variety of vehicle platforms, from small urban cars to large SUVs. This versatility gives GAC a powerful edge, allowing them to offer high-performance EVs across different market segments. Whether you're a city commuter or a long-distance traveler, the benefits of GAC's new motor are universal. For urban drivers, the lightweight and compact design makes navigating tight spaces and traffic jams easier, while the motor's quick acceleration improves responsiveness in stop-and-go situations. Its regenerative braking system also helps recover energy and further extend range in city driving. On the other hand, for long-distance commuters, the extended range and improved efficiency mean fewer charging stops, more flexibility in trip planning, and greater peace of mind. No matter your driving style, GAC's new motor promises to elevate the EV experience across the board. But GAC's ambitions don't stop with a single motor. The company is developing an entire ecosystem around electric vehicles, including battery technology, charging infrastructure, and a diverse lineup of EVs ranging from compact models to high-end SUVs. Their goal is not just to sell EVs, it's to build a seamless, sustainable transportation experience. From vehicle design to after-sales support, from charging networks to battery recycling, GAC wants to cover every aspect of the electric vehicle lifecycle. This holistic strategy sets them apart from other automakers who may only focus on producing cars. Of course, with great innovation comes great challenges. Operating at 30,000 RPM generates a lot of heat and mechanical stress, so GAC has had to engineer advanced cooling and lubrication systems to ensure durability and performance over time. Another challenge lies in scaling production. Building motors with such specialized materials and high-precision components isn't easy. GAC must expand its manufacturing capacity and develop robust supply chains to meet global demand. Fortunately, the company is already investing heavily in research development and testing to ensure the motor's reliability. They are also exploring partnerships with global suppliers and automakers to accelerate the rollout of their technology. In conclusion, GAC's 30,000 RPM electric motor isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap for the entire electric vehicle industry. With world-class efficiency, extended range, and a versatile design, this motor has the potential to reshape how we think about EVs and to make electric driving a more mainstream, sustainable, and enjoyable experience. As GAC continues to develop this technology and build out its full EV ecosystem, it's clear that they are positioning themselves as global leaders in the future of transportation. GAC's innovation doesn't exist in a vacuum. It comes at a time when global EV competition is heating up. Tesla may have pioneered the mass-market EV, but now companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, and GAC are aggressively pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Meanwhile, legacy automakers, Ford, GM, Volkswagen, BMW, are scrambling to keep pace. Many are investing billions in EV R&D, but none so far have introduced a motor with performance specs matching GAC's 30,000 RPM breakthrough. If GAC successfully mass-produces this motor and integrates it across its fleet, it won't just boost China's EV dominance. It could shift the center of gravity of the entire global auto industry. Countries across Europe and North America will be forced to accelerate their own innovation or risk falling behind. This is more than a motor, it's a symbol of technological leadership, it's a wake-up call to the rest of the world.